Hello, Odooers. Welcome back to our channel Devintelle. This Dev project checklist helps you to keep track of project progress via projects module. You can see here our module Dev project checklist. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to projects, go to configuration menu and see here this menu project checklist. Create new. First I create task 1 and this code is T1. Let's save. Next is the task 2 and code is T2. Let's save. And third one is the task 3 and code is T3. Let's save. Now go to projects, go to any one and see here this project checklist. I did create total 3, task 1, 2 and 3. Now this process is 0%. But when I this allow, then see here change. Now task 2. So again change here progress bar. Now totally completed. So here display 100%. So easily track your this process. Thank you.